What is good, everybody? Welcome to the channel, and I'm back at you with another video. If you don't know who I am, I'm Cody. I got this 2013 5.0 right here, and in today's video, this was filmed a while ago, parts of this video. So I got some new wheels and tires for this car. So I got some wheels behind me, if you can see them. Forgive me for the messy hair. I just woke up not too long ago. It's still pretty early. But I'm going to get these wheels, I'm going to get tires mounted and balanced on them today. And I'm going to show you what wheels they are, because they're going on the Mustang. I've been waiting for these things for 8 months now. It's been a cool minute. I got brand new tires for them, everything. But, you know, I'll stop lagging and show you guys the wheels that are going on the Mustang. You can see that they're work wheels. Meisters, and so I'm going from 20s to 19s because I don't really like 20s. The 20s I have came on my car, but so the fronts are 19 by 9 and the backs are 19 by 10, and let's show you what they look like. So they are the HPG color. They have like the goldish bronze center, the face, polished lips, and yeah, they are super crazy. I think the lip on the front, I think it's about a 3.5 inch lip, and then the back is 4.5. These are the fronts right here. One of them, I have to install the valve stems on them right now before I go take them down to the tire shop, and then once I get the tires on, I will put the work stickers on them. I have the one for the spoke and then the one for the lip too. So those will be going on, and I will show you guys what tires I'm rocking. So I'm gonna get installing the valve stems on these. And all right, so this is what they're looking like mounted up on the car. They look amazing. They got a little poke, but I know they'll naturally camber when you actually put it down on the ground, which I'm not gonna do without tires. But you know, they're looking real good. The back, I'm a little more worried about because that poke is real. But we'll see how it goes. Not too worried about it. We'll see. I don't even have tires in yet, so I gotta wait for the tires to come in. The front, I'm pretty sure the front's gonna work out perfect. The poke's not too crazy. You know, it will naturally camber up when it's got a tire in on the ground. So these things are looking beautiful. Alright, I got them all mounted now. Didn't even take too long, about 15-20 minutes they were done, but I'm running the Toyo Proxys R888R on them. The front is 265 35 19, and then the back is 285 35 19. I got the stickers on them, those ones too, and I'm about to ceramic coat them right now. I'm going to clean them down with some alcohol and then ceramic coat them, and then let them sit for 24 hours before I put them on the car, just to let the ceramic coating cure. And I am using Avalon King Armor Shield 9 to ceramic coat them, so I'm going to clean them up real quick, then ceramic coat them, and I'll show you guys when they're done. Alright, so they're ceramic coated now. Shining. All 4 of them are ceramic coated. I'm not really going to explain how to do it. There's plenty of videos out there just to keep, you know, since they're polished lips, just to keep water spots off them as best as I can. That's why I ceramic coated them. They're done now, and just gotta let them sit for 24 hours before I get them wet. So I'm gonna let them sit, and yeah, and then when I mount them on the car, I'll show you guys. Like I said, I filmed the part where I mounted the wheels up to see how they looked and ceramic coated them a while ago. They've been on the car for a while, so they are Werkmeister S1 3Ps, and I'd say they've been on the car for close to a year now. Forgive me, they are a little dirty, but this is what the fitment looks like in the front, and this is the back over here, and they are very aggressive. So the fronts are 19 by 9 with a positive 11 offset, and I think the lips about 3-inch lip on it, and then the back is 19 by 10 with a positive 22 offset, and I think it's about a 4-inch, a little over 4-inch lip on the back. Not too sure. Forget, it's been a while since I've known the specs, but yeah. I am on air suspension, and as you can see, I ride a little higher. It's about a 4-finger gap almost, and the whole reason for me having a higher ride height is because with these big old Toyo 888Rs, they do rub, and I've already had rubbing issues. As you can see, the paint's chipped. So once these tires are getting to the end of their life, I'm going to go with smaller R888Rs, because these are 285/35 19s. Like I showed you, they are dirty, I know. Haven't washed the car for a while. It's been way too hot. It's like 100 degrees out right now. It's terrible. But I'm either going to go with like 265 in the back, because they sit on the tire barely, and probably a 30 sidewall instead of a 35. And yeah, so once these tires are getting to the end of their life, I will get smaller tires. That way I can fully air out and have a lower ride height, because looking like a monster truck right now. That's just because I don't want to mess up my fenders even more, because they're already pretty bad. This one's not terrible. It's chipping, but it's not horrible. And yeah, so those are the specs on the wheels. If you don't want as aggressive, don't get that offset. Like I said, the front is a positive 11 offset, back is positive 22, and I got that offset because I wanted them to be pretty aggressive when I aired out, almost sitting fender to lip, not exactly. And if I had a smaller tire, it'd definitely look a lot better. I will air it out and show you guys how it looks, because it looks pretty good aired out, I'm not gonna lie. And if you have any questions, let me know. I can't really link where to get these wheels down in the description, just from workwheelsusa.com. You have to contact them and ask them about them. That's where I got them from. So yeah, let's get into the B-roll. this is what it looks like aired out. Like I said, the fronts air out pretty well. Probably could do with a little bit of smaller tire, but you know, they look good. The biggest issue is how big the tires are in the back. Like I said, as you can see, it sits on the fender, and man, if the sidewall was a little bit smaller, they would air out. But if you can see what I'm saying, if this was a smaller tire and this could actually go down, it would pretty much sit fender to lip, which was what I was going for. That's why the offset is so aggressive. But yeah, like I told you, tires are too big. I'll show you on this side if I can get over here. Like, the tires are just a little bit too big. So like I said, when these tires are almost done, I don't know if I'm gonna get R888Rs again, but I'm definitely gonna go with smaller tires so I can fully air out in the back. And then, like I said, the front's good, but I'll go with smaller tires in the front too, just to get a little bit lower, you know, just have that look. And I'm already sitting, if you can't tell, on the ground. There is no room whatsoever for any more low in the front. Just getting the smaller tires will make it look a little better, but in the back's where I can do big improvement. When I ordered these tires, I completely forgot they ran bigger than most tires, so that was my fault. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about the wheels, tires in general, you know, just ask in the comments. I'm more than happy to answer. Definitely worth the wait and the money, but man, smaller tires for sure. So I can't wait. Well, I mean, I don't want these tires to wear out fast because they're expensive as hell, but I can't wait to get smaller tires. Alright, and if you guys have made it to the end of the video, I appreciate it so much. And you know, this is where I'm gonna end it. But these wheels were pretty expensive. They were like about $3,400 shipped to my door, and it took about 8-9 months to get because, you know, of COVID, and then all the materials that are like on back order and all this, because they came from Japan. They were built in Japan from Work, and I got them from Work USA. So you know, if you don't mind waiting, they're definitely worth the wait. And yeah, if you guys would like, comment and subscribe, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.